Wednesdays are more fun because we have each other. This is Kevin, a great friend to have when it's cold outside.
And this is Eli, a romantic friend just like a great love song, perfect when you're feeling lonely.
And Alexander, a fun pandemic time flies. And you're watching
All About You! Time flies.
Yeah, Wednesday.
Yeah. Alright, well, you don't need a passenger to enjoy the fun on Pops and Soul all over the world. And also, you'll get a great present. Do you know what it is?
Laughs, fun stories, great K-pop stars, and
Challenges, passion, punishments.
And more than anything else, hope and love from the UK.
Oh, yeah.
And whenever you're feeling bad or feeling lonely, you guys will always have us to enjoy the time.
Yes, Pops and Soul will be right here just like a great friend.
You're watching Pops and Soul, and should we listen to a song first?
Alright.
Here we go. Music, start! We're interested to hear all your stories. Our eyes and ears are widely open. We're ready. Hello? Hello, Eli.
Listening.
Open your mouth.
Whoa.
Oh, okay. And it's time for I Feel Like.
Okay, Eli, wake up.
What?
Maybe you can tell us about our theme today, Kevin.
Our theme for today is the funniest internet comment I've ever seen. And before we get to this topic, let's talk about the internet.
The internet?
Yes.
What about the internet?
It's a great world with the internet. Well, do you guys have any blogs or any sites that you go on?
I have Facebook, Twitter,
online profiles.
And I do Twitter, you know. And I really like, one thing I like about internet is, really through internet, we could have a closer relationship with our fans.
And our viewers.
I know, like every time we're like uploading our situation, like what we are doing, what's happening on Twitter, we're saying that we're practicing, we're shooting out an MV, we're doing Pops and Soul.
Yeah, but I think Alexander he likes games more than anything else.
Internet
You know, they're just jealous about me. They're trying to make me into a bad person. Anyway, I'm the main MC. You know what? Let me tell you what I do. I search about UKISS articles and I collect all the pictures for you guys. How nice I am.
Well, I'm the main MC.
And I'm Alexander. I am
Keep quiet.
Alexander.
Anyway, Kevin, it's time for your lesson. Keep quiet. Get a later. Stop talking. Go.
It's from United Kingdom, from Love You.
Wow.
Hi.
I love you too.
I love you.
I want to confess my love to a girl I have a crush on. I want to prepare 100 roses and 100 candles. I want to meet her at a park near my house. What else should I prepare? Comment. A friend who can console you after you get rejected.
Oh, no. He's so mean.
He's so
but
He's so realistic.
Oh, but you know what? That's
Evil comment.
I know, but
It's evil, but it gives us a good laughter.
I mean, this kind of comment really suck out the energy from you, you know?
I know, it's like, should I get roses? Should I get candles? Get a friend who can help you with rejection. It's like,
Yeah, but sometimes you really need this kind of comment.
Yeah.
You have to be well prepared.
Actually, I saw something on a search engine. It was like, my boyfriend is in 11th grade. He never studies and all he does is have fun. It really makes me mad. I really don't know what he's planning to be when he grows up. And the comment on the post was, do you want to guess?
Study more. What is it?
12th grade?
What? No, we have to laugh together. 하나, 둘, 셋.
Alright, thanks you guys.
Okay, it's from USA, from Yar. Yar. Okay. Oh, this is a good one. Listen up. Your mouth smells like toothpaste after brushing your teeth. I like the smell of shampoo. Should I brush my teeth with shampoo? Comment. It will make your teeth smell soft and silky. 하나, 둘, 셋.
Why would you brush your teeth with shampoo?
I know.
Okay, I think I know, because after you brush your teeth, you have this breath of the toothpaste. But she likes it. I don't he or she.
But shampoo tastes so bad. I've tried it.
I know, you're the best letter.
Okay, I'll read the next letter.
Because you're red.
This is from Cherry3 from Korea. Okay. I read something recently on a counseling board. I played hide and seek with my girlfriend. I couldn't find her for 2 hours. What should I do? The comment on the bottom was scary. There are so many ways to dump a boyfriend. You've been dumped. This made me laugh.
Yeah, this is funny. Seriously, but this is kind of mean. Hey, you guys.
She ran away from playing hide and seek.
I know. Hey, this is a good way, a good suggestion how you can dump your boyfriend or girlfriend. Play hide and seek. Oh!
Hey, want to play hide and seek today? you be the seeker.
Yeah, count to 100. One.
Yeah, this is a good way to separate. Never play hide and seek. If your boyfriend or your lover say, let's play hide and seek, I'm sorry. You just got dumped. Oh. Anyway, somehow, I know this kind of comments, it's kind of funny, but sometimes really makes you forget about all your stress, you know?
Yeah.
Kind of stress really reading comments. But guys, don't
It makes you laugh.
Oh, it makes you laugh. But guys, don't take comments too serious sometimes. It's just gonna discourage you, you know?
You should see our comments from when we were in.
Aliana,
네가 좋아. I like
Comment.
you.
Alexander, what's wrong with your hair? Your afro hair?
I know. There's a lot of discouraging
Eli,
comments.
where is your hair?
You pigeon man, Kevin.
There are a lot of discouraging comments online, but do not get discouraged by those and just put it as something funny.
Oh, take it positively. Anyway, for Cherry Tree, I know you feel down, but I prepared a song for you. Okay, it's from Gia. Let's have a drink. So we'll be back after the music video. Ta-da, Gia!